Hey, what's up? This is Junior from Trinidad 3D, and just going to show you some new build toys I have for the new system I'm building for doing animation and that sort of stuff. So first we have, well, it's a total of 20 gigs DDR3 Corsair Vengeance. This is the black 12 gigs. It's three sticks of 4 gig. You can see right here it is, alright, well, you can't see right now, but it's 1600 megahertz, 4 gigs, 3 sticks each in this box. This one is same thing, but 8 gigs. I actually have one out. This is the actual sticker RAM. This have to be one of the coolest sticks of RAM ever. This shit is awesome. That's the RAM. Then we have the Quadro 2000 by PNY, NVIDIA product. 1 gig DDR3 graphics card. Apparently it's supposed to be ridiculous. So you see how this works out. And well, a DDR3 gigabyte board. Still waiting for the processor, hoping to get an i7, and we'll see how that works out. So maybe tomorrow I'll do a next short video with the processor and the case, looking to get those stuff tomorrow. So until next time, out.